as you guys love the pickup so much, extra episode. Yeah, for some reason I get double the views and double the likes for the pickup videos, so why not, let's do another one. It'll only be a short and sweet one, I haven't got long, about half hour or so. In real world, what we might just do is just, actually out of interest, just bolt the tailgate on, just to see what it looks like. Feels like you've done something. Also just try and put the bottom subframe mounts on as well, see how they go, because there's no holes to the floor, so I'm thinking they're captive, where obviously with standard minis they go all the way through the boot floor and you put the nuts and bolts in from inside. I'm pretty sure these will be captive, same as on the estates and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see if we can get that on. Okay, let's just see if the camera's rolling. We're rolling. But yeah, there's the tailgate. These are aftermarket ones, I think mini sport, mini spares. So yeah, they slide into there, and then they slide through holes in there. So what we do first is we'll just get them loosely on. Loosely on this side. So those hinges are threaded. Just put some flat washers on for now. It's all not come apart yet. Wrong size bolts. These bolts a little bit short, I think, but it will do just to prove the principle. Maybe they are too short. Oh, for Pete's sake. Well, there's me wanting to do a video of the pickup. And things are just going slow. See, this is why you're supposed to prepare everything before I do films. Otherwise, you can't see, you just see me faffing about. Oh man, there's got to be another wash in there somewhere. So that's it. Alright, time lapse this. Alrighty, once I put it in the right way, that helps. They slot into the holes. I had a sort of a pickup. My very first car was a pickup, but it wasn't really, because it was a modified one out of an estate. Yeah, so I don't really know, never did have a tailgate on the damn thing. So yeah, obviously it looks like some bigger holes down the top here, so it allows you to drop a nut and bolt down. And just get a socket in. Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Wish I had my extensions somewhere, but I don't. So yeah. Do that. Alrighty. It's on. Obviously a little bit pointless bolting it all on really, because the bottom floor panel's not in the right place. But it feels good to do something there, just to see what's going on. So yeah, you can see obviously that's supposed to be that height, but that's fair enough. We're just sitting high at the moment. The rear quarters. Same with this side, sitting high. But what is good, you can see straight away, is the squareness actually down the back. I'll show you in a minute. So that's some positiveness. Yeah, lovely. See, I'm always the one that can get positives out of things, even if it's not working too well. So yeah, obviously you can see, I don't know if you can see the bottom of the flange there. Let's just get that in the picture. That there is supposed to be that flange there. So you can see this has got to come up at the moment. It's just sitting on the top edge. But looking down, you know, it's not bad. It's not perfectly square, parallel, but there's definitely enough room to play with. But yeah, looks good. And then you've got these hinges, stays that go down onto the side to stop the boot coming down too far. But yeah, let's zoom out. Look. Sorry. Oh, mate, move your car. Move back a bit more. There we go. Yeah, that's the end of a pickup, eh? That's good, that. Take a wee photo of that. Yeah, yeah. Have I actually saved any time doing anything else? Should I have been doing something else? I don't know. That is nice just to bolt it on there, see if it goes up and down. Proves that the hinges aren't too bad. Yeah, it's a little bit low that side, so even though it's slightly higher on the hinge. So hopefully there's a bit of play on these bolts. If not, you could just notch the hole a little bit. I think we can get away with that anyway. Absolute worst case scenario, I guess you could tweak the hinges. As I said, these aren't genuine. It's the only thing that didn't come with the car. Genuine hinges. Well, a lot of other stuff didn't come with the car, but I was missing the hinges. They were just chopped off to get it off. Anyway, a bit of a short video. Off away on business tonight, so don't know what I'm going to have for dinner. I think it's going to be spoons anyway. And yeah, cool. Forgot to say, I've ordered up some lovely Magnum panels. We all love them. I can work them all right. 2 corner balances that go forward, because the actual end machine floor comes with a rear balance. It's just the 2 corner sections. Also, I've ordered up 2 repair sections of these end sections. The side of that rear quarter's not too bad going forward. That one's not so good, and it looks like it's got some filler in it. But I didn't see that. Well, I did see them listed, but they all seem to be out of stock. But all the part numbers. Well, I think no. Magnum don't do them. End machine might. But I'm still in two minds yet of whether to tub this or not and do something, go a bit lower with it, because the rear quarters are a bit buggered anyway. So I think they either have to be replaced or they can just be modded for now for tubs wheels, and just redo it later. The archer's a bit knackered, so it's all a question of what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to repair and save or replace. It comes down to cost as well. Anyway, I'm going this time. See you tomorrow, hopefully. I'm about 85% health.